Have you ever heard the term per capita and wondered what it actually means? It is a simple way to measure data per person. The term literally comes from Latin, meaning by the head. In modern economics, it is just shorthand for per person. If a country produces $10 trillion in goods but has a large population, the per capita figure tells us how much that is per individual. It is a vital tool because it allows us to compare vastly different groups of people without being skewed by total population size. Comparing the total value versus a per capita value often reveals a very different story about a country or a company. By using per capita charts, we can see which regions are actually wealthier on average, regardless of how many people live there. Remember that averages can hide inequality. A high per capita number does not mean every single person is wealthy. Understanding these basic metrics helps you read economic headlines with more confidence. Subscribe for more money basics.